The Helios 300 is the ideal laptop if you enjoy high-octane gameplay, mobility, and a machine filled to the brim with plenty of top-tier components, all aimed at the same goal: pure gaming glory. At the helm of Helios is the high-speed display. The color-rich IPS screen is 15.6 inches and has a 240Hz refresh rate with 3 millisecond overdrive response time. With a high refresh, frame rate will be smooth with no tearing, as long as you keep that frame rate high. High frame rate requires high-performing hardware, which, thankfully, there is plenty of. At the top of that list is the latest 6-core, 12-thread 10th Gen Intel Core i7 mobile processor and GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q design. You can also deck out the Helios 300 with up to 32 GB of DDR4 2933MHz RAM, dual 1TB PCIe NVMe SSDs in RAID 0, and a 2TB hard drive for everything else. With Predator, we always put cooling first. With the 2020 model, we've added intakes to the top of the base to increase airflow, while continuing to include the most critical component, our 4th Gen AeroBlade 3D fans. Custom engineered, these fans have been built to maximize airflow while reducing overall noise, made possible through their bionic-inspired design. Some prefer to use their laptops as a mobile desktop replacement, so all the ports, such as Mini DP, HDMI 2.0, 3 USB 3.2 ports, and 1 USB Type-C, should give you plenty of access to your displays, gadgets, and more. Looking down from the display, we have the 4-zone RGB keyboard with a few custom keys to take note of: Turbo, so you can overclock with a single press, and Predator Sense, giving you immediate access to our utility app where you can adjust fan speed, overclock, monitor temperatures, and many other useful functions. And that, in a nutshell, is the Helios 300. And if you want to know more, just check the links below. From all of us here at Predator, good game.